Let's look at this variation question. The quantity z partly varies as x and partly as y. Let's write down an equation connecting x, y, and z, given that when x is 1, y is 2, and z is 8, and when x is 2, y is 2, and z is 7. And then we are supposed to find the value of x, z when y is equal to x, and is equal to 1. Okay, so let's look at the solution. Z varies as x and y. So we have to introduce our constant of variation. Z is equal to k1 x plus k1 k2 y, where k1 and k2 are constant of variation to be determined. Let's plot in put in our values. The first one, z is 8, and then x is 1, and then y is 2. This will give us 8 is equal to k1 plus 2k2. Then the second instance, z is 8 and x is 2 and y2 is 2. This will give us 2k1 plus 2k2. So we'll solve these two equations simultaneously to obtain the values of k1 and k2, the constant of variation. We'll use the elimination method. So we are going to subtract. Let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. We'll subtract equation 2 from 1. Let's perform the subtraction here. 8 is equal to k1 plus 2k2. And then we have 7 equal 2k1 plus 2k2. We are performing subtraction. So here will give us 1, and here will give us negative k1. And this will drop. Implies our k1 is equal to negative 1. Put that into the first equation. 8 is equal to negative 1 plus 2k2. And this one will cross the quotient to become plus. So get 9 is equal to 2k2. Implies our k2 is 9 and 2. So the first question said we should find the relation between the variables. If z is equal to minus k1 x, sorry, the k1 is negative 1, so minus x plus 9 on 2y. How to solve the first sub question. The second sub question, we are supposed to find z when y is equal to 1 and x is also equal to 1. So our z will be equal to negative 1 plus 9 on 2 multiplying 1. And this will just be 9 over 2 minus 1. 9 over 2 minus 1. Let's perform the subtraction. This LCM is 2, so 9 minus 2. We are going to have 7 on 2, or otherwise 3 and half. Thank you.